Welcome, my friend. Today, you've taken a step that will change the course of your life. You're not here by accident. You're here because there's something inside of you, a force, a spark, a deep yearning that refuses to be ignored. This moment, right here, right now, is a testament to your desire to grow, to evolve, to unleash the incredible potential that lies within you. So let's begin. Breathe deeply. Let the air fill your lungs. Let each breath remind you that you are alive, that every single moment is an opportunity, that within the rhythm of your heart, within the pulse of your soul, there lies an energy that can move mountains. You have been told many things in your life, that you're not enough, that your dreams are too big, that your time has passed. But I'm here to remind you of the truth. You are enough. You always have been. Your dreams are valid. They are the echoes of your soul's deepest purpose. And your time, it's not in the past. It's right now. You are not defined by your past. You are defined by your choices. The choices you make today. The choice to rise. The choice to believe. The choice to keep going when everything tells you to stop. You were born for something greater. Deep within, you know this. You felt it. The stirring in your gut. The whisper in your heart that says, you were meant for more. Today, let that voice grow louder. Let it be the anthem that drives you forward. Success is not a single step. It's a journey. And that journey begins with belief. Belief in yourself. Belief in your vision. Belief that no matter how many times you fall, you can rise again. The world will test you. Life will throw challenges in your path. But every challenge is an invitation. Every obstacle is a teacher. Embrace the struggle. Lean into the discomfort. Because it's there, in the hard moments, that you discover your true strength. You have within you a well of resilience, deeper than any ocean. Tap into it. Let it wash away the doubt. Let it fuel your determination. And your time. It's not in the past. It's right now. Remember this. Growth does not happen in the safety of comfort. It happens in the crucible of challenge. It happens when you are willing to be uncomfortable, to risk failure, to dare greatly. The choice to rise, the choice to believe, the choice to keep going when everything tells you to stop. So today, decide that you will not shrink back. Decide that you will face the trials head on, with courage in your heart and fire in your soul. Now, close your eyes and see the life you want. See it in vivid detail. See the person you want to become. Feel the emotions that come with it. The pride, the joy, the freedom. This vision is not a fantasy. It is a blueprint. It is the map that will guide you forward. Hold it close. Let it drive every action you take. Purpose is what transforms dreams into reality. Purpose is what fuels persistence. Without it, the journey becomes empty. With it, every step becomes meaningful. So I ask you, what is your purpose? What is the legacy you want to leave behind? You are not here to simply exist. You are here to create, to impact, to leave a mark on this world. Dreams without action are nothing more than wishes. If you want to achieve greatness, you must commit to daily discipline. You must show up, even when it's hard, even when you're tired, even when no one is watching. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It's the quiet force that turns potential into progress. Success is not built in a day. It's built in the countless small choices you make each day. So choose wisely. Choose actions that align with your vision. Choose habits that lift you higher. Choose to be consistent, because consistency compounds. It multiplies your effort and brings you closer to your goals. day by day. Fear will come. It always does. But fear is not your enemy. It is a compass. It points you toward the edges of your comfort zone, the places where real growth happens. Do not let fear paralyze you. Let it energize you. Feel the fear and move forward anyway. Every time you do, you grow stronger. Every time you face your fear, you take back your power. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's the decision to act despite it. You have everything you need within you. Trust yourself. Trust your instincts. Trust that the universe conspires in your favor when you dare to move forward. As we come to the end of this journey, let these affirmations sink deep into your soul. I am powerful beyond measure. I am resilient, and I rise stronger after every fall. I am worthy of my dreams, and I will not stop until I see them come alive. I am disciplined, focused, and unwavering in my pursuit. I am a force of purpose and passion. I am unstoppable. Take these words and let them guide you. Now, take one last deep breath. Know that this hour was not just a moment of motivation. It was the ignition of a new chapter in your life. You have the power to create the life you want. You have the power to rise above every obstacle. You have the power to be the person you were meant to be. So go out into the world, with your head held high and your heart on fire. Rise and inspire, and most importantly, be you.